Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's drone film we're flying it around Kato Paphos, starting at the car park by the harbour, well, the two car parks by the harbour, I should say. Now we're moving across to where St Paul's Pillar is and St Paul's Church. You can just see the pillar. Can you see it at the moment? It's behind some, it's just next to some trees to the left of the church. The walkway you can see around the church is unfortunately closed, and it has been for some time, but hopefully in the not too distant future they will get round to fixing that, because it was nice to be able to walk and see. There's some mosaics down there, not really visible from up here, but there's some nice columns as well. And moving past the church, we come to the square where Sofianna Resort is, and that little fountain on the roundabout, and you can still see some of the purple from the jacaranda trees. And there's Lofty's bar up in the top left hand corner, and Baywatch bar coming into the centre of the picture. I'm not going to list all the bars or restaurants, just a few of them. We're going up Bar Street now. There's that little chapel you can see. Even looks nice from up here. And there's Notorious, and in the distance coming in you can see the bowling alley I explored recently. I didn't realise how big the building was compared to the other ones around it, but it dominates the skyline from up here. And beyond that you have the new Poseidonos Avenue Water Feature. And you can't quite see the Yellow Hotel, but it's up in that direction. And there's the Almira Hotel. And coming back round again, we'll have the Annabelle Hotel coming into the view. Now we'll head, keeping in the inland side back towards the harbour. There's Pinguinos down there, and Tea for Two at the top end of the seafront. I filmed this on Wednesday. Had I done so the day before, well, I might not have been able to, because there's a lot windier, but there was more waves and stuff. It's calmed down a bit by now. That brown thing you can see towards the centre bottom is, I think it's a whole complex is up for sale. I'm not sure. I don't think it's in use at the moment. Now you've got the old circular market there at the bottom. It's a shame that's not as, I mean, obviously I don't know when it was first built, but at one point it must have been quite a nice little shopping parade. Anyway, that's our view around Kato Paphos. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next film. Cheers.